How does a neuron work? Neurons work in a cycle of sending and receiving dopamine messages. Neurons look like spiders with one long tentacle called an axon. The axon is the voice that sends the dopamine signal to the shorter tentacle called a dendrite. Dendrites are the ears that receive the dopamine messages. Dopamine travels in small sacs. The sacs are like dump trucks. When they reach their destination, they release their cargo. Dopamine crosses the synapse, which is the small space between two neurons. It binds to the protein receptor on the dendrite side, similar to a key unlocking a door. Once the chemical message is received, dopamine is released from the postsynaptic neuron back into the synapse. Some dissolves and the rest goes back into the presynaptic neuron to be recycled.